we're going to check each bag from the word center, and we're going to make sure that every bag has all of the same beginning sounds in it, okay? All right, let's look inside this bag and see if we have this one. All right, what is this picture of?
Seal.
A seal. This is a seal. Seal begins with what sound?
S.
Okay, there's one. All right. What about this? Scissors. Scissors begin with what sound? Good. Do they belong together?
Yes.
All right. What is this?
Lion.
Lion begins with what sound? Does lion go with this group?
No.